Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download apps on Mac without App Store. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! A productive routine always starts with an efficient Mac. Make sure your computer is always ready to face daily challenges with you. If you're new to the Mac, or even you've been using it for New Year's, you may think that the only apps you can install on it are from the Mac App Store, but that's not the case. The confusion is likely because there is a setting that allows you to configure your Mac. So that's the case. However, it's up to you, and by default, you can download apps directly from developers and install them. The tool that controls this setting is called GitKeeper. So, what if you want to download apps on your Mac but you can't find it? You can't find the apps on the App Store. How to do it if you want to download the apps? Maybe, for the example, you want to download Zoom, install Zoom on your MacBook, but there's no Zoom app that you want in here. How? Don't worry. So, you can just download it from the browser. So you can open your Chrome and the internet browser on your MacBook, and you can just search for like this. Download Zoom for Mac, and you can find there is an option download Zoom for Mac. You can just click on it. So in here you can just scroll down until you find there is a download. Wait, this one. Okay, you can search. Can read this. Can access the download center under the marketplace for Mac. Now, can go to the download center. Okay, this one is the download center. You can choose on download for Apple Silicon. Now we can wait until it's finished. You can just follow the step-by-step that the developer gives you. You can open it. Continue. Continue and wait. You can enter your password. When your MacBook asks you to enter your password, you can just enter the password and follow this step by step. Now it's installing. You can wait until the app is finished. The installation was successful. You can just click on close. You can move to the trash because we don't need that again. And then you can open your Launchpad and search for Zoom. You can open your Finder. Search for Zoom. This one. But I think this app is not support on this Mac because I'm using an old Mac. But you can try it on your MacBook. Maybe you can try with another apps, but not all apps is support for your MacBook. You have to keep that. So that is how to install apps without App Store on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!